भागो भागो, आराम से जाओ। If you want, you can go back to your previous loop. See in what direction you need to go. Okay?
Thank you very much.
तेरा शौक चढ़ा है ओ
Well, MFM is a place which gave me hope. The reason why I call it place is because I come from a technical background, and before this I had aspirations, I still have aspirations for going into marketing, merchandising, exploring different opportunities like business analyst. But when I came over here, I found that there are certain, not just through subjects and through presentations, through cluster visits, there are so many other opportunities where I can implement those skills which I have learned after coming over here, which actually helped me to believe that yes, there is something out there which is waiting for me to come and grasp it.
Here at Nipsalon, I got an opportunity to, it gave me a platform to see that learning could have so many different perspectives, and I always wanted to show my creative side, and here I got an opportunity to hit my creative side with a light, and everything from the faculty members who are the people at NIST, they've always been very much cooperating, and it was many unforgettable memories that I'm taking from here.
One memory of Dev sir, I would say that when asking about answers, he used to mention that जितिन के बगल में बैठा अविनाश, के पीछे बैठी नेहा, के पीछे बगल में बैठी विजया आंसर बताएगी. तो मतलब हम लोग अचानक से डर जाते थे कि किसी का भी नंबर आ सकता है उसमें. And then talking about Buroy sir, I remember one fun incident was कि एक बार he was taking the presentation and he was going to sit on his chair. And the chair just shifted backwards, so he was like, oh my god, is it falling backwards? And we were sitting in the front, we couldn't laugh properly. because it was not good, but we just can't forget that incident. We still remember that. And Arnab sir, I would say he was quite a serious, he is quite a serious person. Actually his jokes also go above us. We don't understand his jokes also. They are so high tech. And talking about Arnab sir, one memory would be when he used to give some examples, whether it be any subject, strategic management, he used to give that example, Vijay Mallya. So the moment he said Vijay, I was like, why is he taking my name? And then he said Mallya. So I thought that, he's talking about Vijay Mallya. Then about Angam sir, I would say that he's a very good teacher. He's learning now, so it was a nice experience with him in the class. And first of all, the moment he entered the class, he would say that we were always on the phone in his class, so he would say, just flip your phone. And Purnesh was always on the phone, so he would say, dude, just flip the phone. So he used to do that. So these were some of the incidents about our faculties that I would be remembering throughout my life.
Do you remember the paranormal experience that we had? How can I forget? It was late night. I mean, one day we were studying for a test. 3 of us were there in our hostel, and suddenly the window started shaking, and we were not even over that scared that suddenly the bed we were sitting on started shaking. And nothing else was shaking. Not the table, not the cupboard, not the empty bottles on the table. For a moment we thought it was an earthquake. And Oshin and I, we started running towards the door when Manaswini was sitting in the bed, tight as she was, and the only thing that she said was, please try and understand, this is not an earthquake, please come back. It definitely wasn't looking like an earthquake. And that scared us even more. Oshin and I immediately shut the door. 3 of us were sitting on one single bed with one single blanket all night, praying all night. I mean, Hanuman Chalisa वगैरह सब लगा दिया था. First day of hostel and everybody was like, is Vartika your sister? And I was like, who is Vartika? But we actually met in the college itself. Yeah. So we went to the class and it was Arnab sir's class. And he was like, are you guys twins?
Last and most exciting story happened with Vijaya when she was not able to locate Kala Namak here. The food in this and everything was not having Kala Namak, and her face was like that she is about to die. She has to leave this place, otherwise she would not be able to survive here anymore. Forget about MFM, forget about NEFT, she has to leave this place. She is not able to locate her salt here.
I make friendship bonds. It takes almost 2 years to form really good bonds with people. So, like in this batch, I speak to everybody, but the connection is with only 1 or 2 people. So I don't know why is it so. Maybe because of the past experiences. I don't know. my